Greetings, family. I hope you all are doing okay. I hope everyone is doing fine, like I am. Yeah, so today is a Monday. Oh, if it's the first time coming across my channel, my name is Judy Arego. You're very much welcome. So today is a Monday, and my house is not that pleasing. I'm starting this video at 1 p.m. Actually, nimepata tu nguvu sahi. And don't mind hatuna viti, but at least mkikuja mtapata hizo za plastic mbili za kuwashikilia, ama mkayapa kwa carpet. My carpet is clean, niliosha last week. Yes, so my house is not that clean, being that we are from the weekend and there were a lot of activities going on. So that's how we in the bedroom. Where that's my bedroom. It's that those are clean clothes, by the way. I hate folding and keeping away clothes, but I'm going to try that right now. Yeah, I need to change my bed sheets. I need to change my duvet cover. Let me show you my kitchen. So that's my kitchen. It needs cleaning, like ile thara. Those are my vyombos. Yeah, we need to do some cleaning in the kitchen. That's my bathroom. Little cleaning in the washroom just to make it clean. Those are Christy's stockings and socks. And then Christy's bedroom. Where? Christy's bedroom, those are clothes. These are dirty clothes that are supposed to be washed like right now. That's how his baby, and we're supposed to be changing these bed sheets and leave the place clean, open the windows and leave it aerated. So like generally I'm going to be doing an entire house cleaning today, and I want to do it with you guys. It's like a motivation. Yeah, if you watch this video, make sure you get some strength over the weekend and do your cleaning. They say cleanliness is next to godliness. So the first thing is to,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away, as you fade away. your skin. Show me what's within. Hold me as the night gets cold. Feel the time gets slow. Too much time to waste. Is this life I make? Breaking through to you. Let me underneath your skin. Show me what's within. Hold me as the night gets cold. Feel the time gets slow. Too much time to waste. Is this life I make? Breaking through to you.
So hi, so finally my house is done. My house is clean. So the pillowcases have not dried, that's why we've not put them back. And then our plastic chairs are there ready for you to sit on them, guys. Yeah, so the main reason I don't have seats is because I sold the seats that I had. Zilikuwa zimebit. Yeah, so I'm still planning on purchasing new ones, but my carpet is clean. I washed it last week. You guys can come and visit and you can sit on the carpet. It's comfortable, by the way. You can even lie down. Yeah, so that's my sink, cleanly washed. That's my bedroom, guys. Imagine I've made my bed so neat like that, and then the real owner, who is Howie, wants to come and jump on my bed like in the next few minutes. Yeah, so that's my bedroom, cleanly done. Let's check Christy's bedroom. So I put this towel here because my washroom is a bathroom cum toilet. So when someone gets out of the shower, it's always wet. So when they dry their feet here, it's okay. My toilet is cleanly washed. Yes, very clean. My walls are clean. Then that's my kitchen, very clean. Like sijiski kupika leo. My sink is clean